This is part 1 of the video Solutions of Equations. Question 1 is Chen buys 4 notebooks and 3 pens for $17.50 and Liu buys 2 notebooks and 5 pens for $14. Form a pair of simultaneous equations and solve them to find the cost of a notebook and of a pen. Show your working. Let's call the notebooks as a variable x, and for pens we use the variable y. So 4 notebooks and 3 pens for $17.50. This means that 4x plus 3y is equals to 17.50. And next, 2 notebooks and 5 pens. This means that 2x plus 5y is equals to 14. Now we need to solve both the equations simultaneously, for which what we can do, we need to make the coefficients of either x or y equal. So we can make the coefficients of x equal if we multiply this equation with 2. So if we multiply the equation with 2, we get 2 to the 4x plus 2 5s are 10y. This is equal to 14 2s are 28. So now what we're gonna do, we will change the signs. Plus minus minus, this is plus minus. Now these get cancelled, and 3 minus 10 we got minus 7y is equals to 17.5 minus 28. So we get minus 10.5. Minus and minus get cancelled, so y is equal to 10.5 divided by 7. So we get 1.5. Now we put y is equal to 1.5 in this equation so that we can get the value of x. So 2x plus 5 into 1.5 is equals to 14. So 2x plus 1.5 multiplied by 5. So we get 7.5 is equal to 14. 2x is equal to 14 minus 7.5, which give us 6.5, and finally x will be equal to 3.25. So now we have the final answer. X was the answer for the notebooks and y was for the pens. So this means notebook is 3.25 and for pen we have $1.5. So this is the final answer. Next question, show that x over x plus 2 minus 3 over x minus 5 is equals to 4 can be arranged to 3x square minus 4x minus 34 is equals to 0. So now we are going to solve this. For this we need to take the LCM. So let's start solving this. Okay, so the LCM is x plus 2 and x minus 5. So this is going to be x plus 2 into x minus 5, and if we cross multiply this, so this becomes x into x minus 5 minus 3 into x plus 2. This is equal to 4. Now we simplify this, so this becomes x square minus 5x minus 3x and minus 6 is equals to 4 into x plus 2 and x minus 5. Next we have x square minus 8x minus 6. This is equals to 4 into, now we multiply x plus 2 and x minus 5. So this becomes x square minus 5x and plus 2x. So this will give us minus 3x and minus 2 5 is 10. So x square minus 8x minus 6, this is equal to, now we multiply 4 inside the bracket. So 4x square minus 4 3 the 12x and minus 40. Now take x square minus 8x plus 6 to the other side. So this becomes 0 is equals to 4x square minus x square minus 12x and plus 8x minus 40 and plus 6. So finally we have 0 is equals to 3x square minus 4x and minus 34, which is the final answer. In the next part, we need to solve the equation 3x square minus 4x minus 34 is equals to 0, and the answer should be correct to 2 decimal places. Okay, so here we can apply a quadratic formula, or we can use completing square method or factorization. So a quadratic formula is quite easier. So here we can see a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 4, and c is equals to minus 34. Now using the quadratic formula, which is x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we substitute the values. So here x is equals to minus into minus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4, then a is 3 and c is minus 34, and divided by 2 into 3. Now we simplify this, so we get x is equals to minus minus plus, so this is 4, and plus minus square root of 16, and then minus and minus will be plus, 4 3s are 12, and then 12 into 34, 408, and then divided by 2 3s are 6. So here we have x is equals to 4, then plus minus square root of 16 plus 408. This is going to be 2 square root of 106 and divided by 6. Now we take 2 as a common. So now 2 into 2 plus square root plus minus square root of 106 over 6. So now this 2 and this 6, when we cancel out, they give us 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So now we have x is equals to 2 plus minus square root of 106 divided by 3. So now we separate out the plus and minus sign. So we have x is equal to 2 plus square root of 106 by 3, and we have x is equals to 2 minus square root of 106 divided by 3. So if we put this in the calculator so that we can get the answer in decimals. So the answer to the first one is going to be 6.147. So we will round off this to 2 decimal places. So this is going to be 6.15. And for the other one, we have minus 4.147. So this means minus 4.15. So these two are the answers to this part of the question. Next question, we have this. Solve 3 into x plus 10 is equals to 12 minus 7x. So we need to solve this equation. We are solving it here. 3 into x plus 10, this is equals to 12 minus 7x. So now we multiply 3 inside the bracket. So 3x plus 30, this is equals to 12 minus 7x. Now take 7x here and 30 to the other side. So 3x plus 7x, this is equals to 12 minus 3x plus 7x. So 10x is equals to 12 minus 30, which is minus 18. So x is equals to minus 18 over 10, and upon simplification we get 2 5s are 10 and 2 9s are 18. So x is equals to minus 9 by 5 is the final answer to the question.